Hello, this is Shrekanth RG, and this time around I'm coming to Gauribidanur in Karnataka. Yes, so we're gonna have a session on bioenzymes on Sunday, the 5th January 2020. So this is my first workshop in 2020. So I'm gonna start off with Gauribidanur in Karnataka. So you can learn how to convert your kitchen garbage into cleaning enzymes. From hair wash to car wash, anything and everything can be cleaned. So what are you waiting for? You can just grab your phone numbers and pre-register for this event. So the numbers you can call on are 948-092-3712, or you can call on the other number mentioned, which is 944-967-8591. This is Shrekanth RG. Thank you very much.